Did you know that some print-on-demand sellers make over $300 per day during the Christmas season? And the crazy part is, most of them started as complete beginners, just like you and me. And here's what blew my mind when I first got into this. They weren't creating complicated designs at all. Nope. They were selling simple Christmas sweaters, the kind of cozy, fun designs that anyone can make. Now, I know what you might be thinking. That sounds amazing, but where do I even start? I felt the same way at first. It can feel overwhelming to know which sweater designs will actually sell and how to stand out during the holiday rush. But everything changed for me once I discovered how to use Gelato's print-on-demand platform combined with a few smart design strategies. That's when consistent daily sales, yes, even $300 days suddenly felt possible. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to share my complete beginner's guide to selling Christmas sweaters on Gelato. By the end, you'll know which designs to focus on, how to set up your products for maximum profit, and how to scale your sales as Christmas gets closer. And honestly, you're going to realize how doable this really is. All right, let's dive in with step 1. The very first step to making $300 a day with Christmas sweaters is setting up your Gelato account properly. When I first signed up, I was shocked at how many product options Gelato gives you, but for us, the real star is sweaters. And the best part? You can create entire Christmas sweater collections that appeal to totally different types of shoppers. Here's exactly what to do. Okay, you guys, the first step is getting your Kittle account ready and understanding what Flows actually does, because this feature is about to blow your mind. Here's exactly how to get started. Go to kittle.com and create your account. Go to gelato.com or just use the link in my description and create your free account. Fill in your business profile. Once you have created your account, the next step is to set up your store, which is very simple. Just click on the stores section and then you can choose the one you're working on. Etsy is the easiest for beginners, but Shopify or even Amazon can work if you're ready for bigger reach. And finally, head straight to the Christmas sweater category under apparel. That setup means you'll be ready to design without getting stuck on tech headaches later. Now, this is where things really start to click. Before creating any designs, I spent hours researching what was actually selling. And here's what I found. Personalized sweaters completely outperform generic ones. For example, sweaters with family names, funny Christmas puns, or pet themes were consistently at the top of Etsy bestseller lists. That showed me it's not about reinventing the wheel, it's about giving people designs they actually want to wear or gift. So here's what I suggest you do. Search Etsy for Christmas sweater and check the first 20 bestsellers. Take note of common themes like matching family sweaters, retro vintage looks, or funny sayings. Another tool I really like for reviewing sales data is Everbee. To get started, just open your Everbee account and head to the Shop Analyzer section. From there, paste the name of the store you want to analyze. You'll be able to check out the estimated revenue, average price, and the store's highest and lowest prices. You can even see the monthly estimated revenue, but keep in mind that this feature requires the paid plan. If you're using the free account, you can still get a solid overview of sales data and perform a more complete analysis. Do this, and you'll know exactly where to focus instead of guessing. Okay, let's make your first Christmas sweater design. And trust me, it doesn't need to be complicated. Here's how you can create your own Christmas sweater. In the Gelato products section, click on men's clothing. There, you'll also find the sweatshirts category. In this section, you can explore the different options available to create your design. It's very important to check the shipping region, as not all products are available worldwide. I also recommend reviewing the prices and color options for each item. Once you've chosen one, simply click on it, select the size and color you want, and then click Add to Cart. This is where we'll start creating our sweater. In the product section, you can choose whether to add more sizes or colors to your catalog. For today's example, I'll add sizes S, M, and L, along with the colors red and green. Now, let's move on to the design of the sweater. Here, you can add your own text and elements. For mine, I'm creating a fun Christmas sweater with the text, "Mariana is Santa's favorite." To do this, I'm just going to click on the text section and then click on Add Text. After that, I can also change the font and choose the one I like best, as well as the color. If you already have a design that you've created on a design platform, you can also add it here in the File section, and you can upload your design. You can also upload images or add design elements to complete complete your look. When we want to create custom designs, Gelato offers a tool called personalization. This feature makes the process so much easier by allowing us to pull personalization data directly from the customer's email and is available with Gelato Plus. Our next step is creating our mockups. This is a game changer. The sweaters that sold best for me weren't the ones with the fanciest designs. They were the ones with the best mockups. When customers could see the sweater being worn in a cozy living room with Christmas lights in the background, sales doubled. People could imagine themselves or their family wearing it. So here's what to do. Use Gelato's built-in mockup generator. Pick lifestyle scenes, think families decorating a tree or sitting by the fire. Show close-ups so buyers can clearly see personalization, and always include multiple angles. And now we can even do it with the help of AI. Just click on Magic Mockups, add your prompt, and in seconds it will create it for you. Your goal is to make shoppers think, that looks like my Christmas. Once our mockups are ready, we can click on Continue to Details. In this section, we have to add the title and description of our product. We can also do this with AI. Click on Create with AI, describe the product, and that's it. Once ready, we can click on Continue to Prices. This is where we set our prices and decide on our profit margin. The tool will automatically calculate the profits for each product, making the process quick and simple. Once you're ready, just click Continue to Review. In the review section, double check that all the details of your product are complete and accurate. And that's it. Congratulations. You've just created a product that could become your bestseller this Christmas. Once you get your first sale, don't stop there. Take your best-selling design and expand it into a whole collection. For example, if your Christmas crew sweater sells well, create a pet version, a couples version, and maybe even a matching kit set. Before you know it, one idea becomes 10 products, and that's how you hit consistent $300 days. The truth is, Christmas is the best time for beginners. Shoppers are actively looking for these products, and simple designs can absolutely compete. Imagine this. If you wanted to start a traditional Christmas retail business, you'd need thousands of dollars just for inventory, storage, and shipping supplies. That's a lot of upfront cost. But with Gelato, you can start your own Christmas design business for literally the cost of 3 cups of coffee. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm not artistic enough to create good designs. I get it. I used to feel the same way. But here's the secret. The most profitable Christmas designs are often the simplest ones. Text-based designs with family names, funny Christmas sayings, or basic graphics consistently outsell complicated artwork. And don't forget, you can always start with Canva templates and tweak them to make them your own. Maybe your next thought is, but the Christmas market is too competitive. Sure, there are tons of products out there, but that's actually a good thing. It proves there's huge demand. The trick is finding your niche. Instead of competing with everyone, focus on specific audiences: dog lovers, new parents, teachers, or any group you're passionate about. There's room for everyone when you target the right customers. And finally, maybe you're worried. What if I don't reach $300 a day? That's totally fine. Even making $50 or $100 a day during the Christmas season is amazing extra income for a beginner. The $300 per day goal is something to aim for, not a requirement. Many of my students celebrate their first $500 or $1,000 months, and trust me, that's a huge win worth celebrating. So here's what you can do next. Go to Gelato, create your free account, and design your very first Christmas sweater today. Don't wait for the perfect time. The holiday season doesn't wait for anyone. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more print-on-demand tutorials, and drop a comment letting me know which Christmas niche you're most excited to launch. I read every single comment and love seeing your success stories. Keep creating, keep scaling, and remember, you're absolutely capable of building the successful print-on-demand business of your dreams. See you in the next video. Have a great day.